My 2-course solar cable, 50 metres of it has arrived. And look, WAKAWAKA's up on the trailer. Oh, the anti-fouling's been done where she was up on blocks. There's any left. Oh, a tiny bit. And here. And another coat on the rudders as I asked. The top sides have been washed and waxed, but not polished. I'll still have to attend to marks left over from the fenders. We're under a time crunch. She does have a reflection now. It's Wednesday morning, just dropping a car off here, and WAKAWAKA should appear there shortly. Well, we're obviously all ready to go. A rather large gap over here now. They're just taking the blocking out that was keeping the cradle in place.
A little bit on the front, that's fine.
They're just levelling the boat out. Chain into length on the toe, get the loader out of the water. Pretty sure Kevin's heading down to get rid of this rope that's running across the end of the slipway. Oh, I see, this boat's actually going out. Looks like it's going to be pushed by dinghy outboard wherever we put Catman 2 up here. And the engine bay's got full of water just with the 12-foot tinny and the 15 strapped on the side. Lines released. Push arrows in position. To get going, but progress is being made. I do have the Gondolieri song on the phone. It's in case I never remember to.
I could mime it.
I never remember to find it because Gilbert and Sullivan did one.
Oh, now there's one.
Reasonably fast.
So I probably want to get that addressed next time. Okay, so
Right, just checking the bilges. This is the only one we've done anything to. Add the speed log out. It's dry. And the last one. No leaks. Bilges are all dry. We'll just go backwards a bit more and start the engines. So we've got the lines ashore. stir. And Kevin's going to lower us down. We are floating. Trailer's coming out. We are free, as Stuart says. Goodbye NORSAND until next winter. Oh, speed line's working. It's calibrating because that's the speed over ground, but it's a start. So I believe Ian was on this and it went to somewhere north of the equator to pick up a crane. So they're busy unloading some steel beams at the moment. Small ship up at the here in Slipway has been up for as long as we've been out. In the middle of that, I've done a quick calibration of the log to GPS, so we're closer now. And come out to our fishing fleet. There's the tide gauge building at Port Nikau. The very small Pier A. B. It's a rather empty looking pier C. It's like a pretty big lagoon, I imagine. Not sure. We'll be going in there, but first I'll go for a speed test. We've got the dredging barge coming our way. Ex-Catman 2 still up at Harbourside Boatworks. Doesn't look any different. Lucky's gone from on the wharf here. Well, this is the cable laying ship that lost its rudder out in the Pacific. Engine's still waiting to get up on the slipway. Well, the speed restriction finishes at this yellow buoy. Right, well let's see how we go. 2,200 RPM, 7.4. Well, we are making props with it on purpose, so we're probably about 100 to 200 RPM less. Still managing 8.5 knots. And the temperature slowly going up, 80. 100% throttle, 100% engine load. Temperature staying pretty stable. So 1800 RPM and we're doing 6.3 knots. It's quite pleasant. Okay, in we come. Props have got a much bigger pitch in reverse, so see how we go. Get around tight. Pull it tight. Pull it tight. Okay, tie it off. Going forwards. The breast line pull us in. Don't do it. Don't let it go. We are, but I mean, you can't let it go when I'm using it. safely docked. Our work is not finished though, there's still the solar to sort out. Very dirty decks on the boat. A lot of work going on in this lagoon, sail battens I see. And we turned off the raw water feed to both air conditioners and the generator, so I'll turn them back on. I had them off so that we didn't have less chance of an airlock. So they're back on, those two. There, good New Zealand manufactured true design seacocks and load supporting collars. I'll put the shore power on. And we can remove these and that one.